Hey everyone, it's Anthony, your LA Realtor. You're in for a treat. I'm right here in the Cypress Grove, Del Rey area, not too far from Santa Monica Pier, from Venice Beach, from Marina Del Rey, at a fully remodeled home. Let me go ahead and take a look inside so I can give you a quick rundown. I mean, it's 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, about 1,700 square feet. There's an additional bedroom in the back, and I mean, as you can see in the background, I mean, look at this. My goodness, I can't wait to show you around. So let's get started now. my favorite home tour that I've done so far. What do you think? I mean, there isn't much more that needs to be added to this home. They remodeled it to the T. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at this kitchen. And then with the matte black dual pane windows, it really pops. Stainless steel appliances, white counters, has a wine refrigerator here, which is always nice. Obviously, there's washer and dryer hookups conveniently located. And then this is in a prime location. I mean, it's maybe 5 minutes from Santa Monica, 5 minutes from Venice, 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes to the airport, 15 minutes if there's traffic. It's 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,650 square feet, listed at $1.75 million. So considering the price, you get a lot of square footage. Again, that's 1,650 square feet. There's a 2-car garage that's detached in the back with that additional bedroom there, which if you wanted to rent out, you can maybe charge $1,200 to $1,500 in rent, or you can make that into like a pool room, gaming room, an extra storage room. It is a good size, so that's not something to overlook at all. Amazing open concept. The house flows really well, as you can see. Beautifully landscaped. I mean, there isn't much more that's needed for this home. It's perfect for most people. It's perfect for families, perfect for even just a young couple. I really, really enjoy this home. So if you have any questions, you want to make an offer, if you want to do a private showing, please let me know. Again, in this market, homes sell really quickly, so you have to move extremely quick. I'm going to put my number here. It's 562-275-2563. That's 562-275-2563. It'll also be in the description of the video. Again, you have to move quickly. You need to put a strong offer in. And sometimes in this market, it's more about who you know as opposed to how strong your offer is. If you have a relationship with the realtor, developer, construction, like it really does help out a lot. So if you have any questions, please contact me. Again, this is maybe the 3rd or 4th home of my now video home tour. I'm going to be doing 1 a week at the very least. I may start ramping it up. So if this isn't a home that you like, but there's a certain style or design or square footage or area you prefer, please contact me. I'll be happy to do one of those home video tours I can share for everybody. I mean, who doesn't like touring beautiful move-in ready homes, especially when they're staged so beautifully. The staging company did a really, really great job with this home. So I'm really, really ecstatic to be able to bring this to you on YouTube. With that said, I want to wish you all the best, homies. If you haven't already, please subscribe up to our YouTube channel. Yes, I just called you homies. If you haven't already, we have a podcast called the Homies Real Estate Podcast. I highly recommend you tune in. You can also find it on our YouTube channel. And with that said, I want to wish you all the best. Take care. Stay safe, y'all.